Hey there! Alright, I'm back with another wig review. So, this wig review is a luxury wig and it is awesome! I literally just got it in the mail yesterday and just threw it on my head, and this is what it looks like. I love this one so much. I love wigs that have curls like this because my natural hair, when I had hair, I could never get curls to stay like this. So whenever I get a wig with curls, it makes me so excited because hello, they stay, right? they're not going anywhere. I don't have to do anything crazy to style my hair. This is it. So this wig right here, this is called Mood Booster, and it is on stylesbysoma.com. My affiliate link is down below in the comments, and yes, I do make commission whenever you purchase from my link down below. So any support that you give is greatly appreciated. It goes to fund my wig addiction. so so this one is a luxury wig. It is normally $330. At the time of this recording, it's on sale for $100 off for $230. And when you use my link, you can get 10% off. So, a little bit more about this wig. It is a luxury wig, which means that it is a partial monofilament. And so it is really lightweight, really comfortable, and when you get a luxury wig like this, you don't have to cut any lace. You just literally take it out of the box, give it a little shake, and throw it on your head, and this is literally what it looks like. So the size range for this wig is 19 inches to 22 and a half inches. So that is a really wide range of heads that this will fit. My head is around 21 inches, and so I can wear this one adjusted, and it does not feel like it is going to go anywhere. I am wearing this one with no wig cap, with no wig grips, and it feels really nice and secure, which is a huge bonus because it is really windy here right now when I'm recording this, and I don't want to have to worry about chasing after my wig. So this wig comes in 4 different colors besides the one that I have on, which is Creamy Maple Frost. This wig also comes in Legacy Blonde, Mocha Latte, Sandy Blonde, and Stone Blonde. So if you have any wig related questions for me at all, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll be happy to help. And in the meantime, I hope you all have a wonderful day.